Well, the movie's already running. Here we are. We're at Lost Creek Campground. There's big Lost Creek in the background. Yep. You betcha. It's raining. It's not only raining, it's been raining. What's going on over here?
My hat was full of water and I put it up into my head.
Oh no. Okay.
It's raining inside.
We do have wood, and it's pretty much all on the fire. And we've got canals going. Can you see them? Yep, that's right. That has become home sweet home. Yep. And there's a little lake over there. No water skiing allowed.
Well, there goes my plans. I can't water ski. What am I supposed to do?
Well,
That lake right there?
In the camp.
okay. We're waiting for the reinforcements to arrive. And Stephen, what have you got to say about that?
I cannot wait to get my tent set up.
Okay. On account of?
I'm tired.
What she said.
That's what she said. Okay.
I need sleep.
Well, here we are. Just ought to let you know. The focal point of attention is this fire right here. On account of that's what's keeping us warm. Because we're all wet. Some more wet than others. Would you say?